Hey, I want you to listen up for just a moment. Someone out there feels better just because you exist. And here's the wild part. You might not even know it. Maybe it was something so small, like a quick smile, a hey, are you okay? Or just sitting next to someone who felt alone. Those little things, they matter, way more than you think. You matter more than you know. There are people watching your story, rooting for you, inspired by your courage, even when you don't feel brave. There are friends healing because you took the time to listen. There's someone who almost gave up, but then they remembered how you kept going, even when things got tough. The world seriously needs more people like you. People who are kind, who show up, who keep it real. Don't let the tough days or the negativity fool you. You are a light, even on the days you can't see it. Let that sink in for a second. Your presence, your kindness, your story, they really do make a difference. So whenever you start to doubt yourself, remember, you matter, more than you know. Stick around. The world is better with you in it.